Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you ever wonder if there's a way to bring in extra cash without sacrificing all your free time? Well, you're not alone. Thousands of people in their 20s are out there right now, hustling on the side, building a life beyond their 9-to-5 job. And the best part? Many of these side hustles don't require a huge investment or years of experience. But here's the kicker. Many people miss out because they don't know where to start or think it's too late for them. Today, I'm going to break down 2 high-potential side hustles that can help you earn extra income and maybe even lead you to financial freedom sooner than you think. Stay tuned, because missing out on these could mean missing out on a life-changing opportunity. Side hustle. Let's talk about freelancing digital skills. Now, don't scroll away just yet. This isn't about learning to code for years or becoming an overnight marketing guru. There's a whole world of digital skills that people are willing to pay for right now. Things like graphic design, copywriting, video editing, skills that anyone can start learning with the right resources and dedication. And no, you don't need to be Picasso to make money with graphic design or Hemingway to succeed as a copywriter. Believe me, I've seen some pretty basic logos sell for hundreds. So, why is freelancing in demand? Let me explain. Imagine companies who need short-term, project-based help. They could either hire a full-time employee or reach out to a freelancer like you. Guess which one saves them money? Over 36% of the US workforce is freelancing in some way, and that number is only growing. Businesses need flexible workers to handle one-off projects, and that's where you can step in. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Here's the beauty of it. You can start with a minimal investment, just a laptop and an internet connection. Imagine a future where you're not just earning extra, but building real financial stability from anywhere in the world. Now think about this. What would an extra $500 a month mean to you right now? Paying off debt, investing in your future. Now you might be thinking, what if I'm not tech savvy? Don't worry, there's another side hustle on this list that doesn't require any digital skills at all. Ready to find out? Extra income. Let's talk about reselling and thrifting. Ever walked into a thrift store and seen something cool but passed it by? What if I told you that some people are turning these hidden treasures into serious cash? And no, I'm not talking about antique dealers with years of experience. I'm talking about everyday people like you and me who flip products online for profit. Ever wondered why someone would pay $100 for a vintage t-shirt? I know it sounds crazy, but the resale market is booming, especially with Gen Z and millennials. This hustle is simple. You find items with hidden value, list them online, and make a profit. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Depop have opened up a new world for people who love treasure hunting. Imagine finding a $5 shirt at Goodwill and selling it for $50 online. The thrill of flipping items, combined with the potential profit, makes this an addictive side hustle. And here's the kicker. Not only are you making money, but you're also giving items a new life. It's sustainable and rewarding. It's not just about earning, it's about contributing to a circular economy. Every item you sell is one less piece of waste in a landfill. Still not convinced? What if I told you there are tools that can show you exactly what's in demand, so you're not just guessing? Tools like Google Trends and eBay's price filters can make you a smarter reseller and help you target products that will fly off the shelves. Now, you might be asking, can I really make a difference with these side hustles? And the answer is absolutely. It's all about getting started, putting yourself out there, and staying consistent. Remember, every dollar earned here is a step toward financial independence, a life where you're not limited by a paycheck. And hey, don't let fear hold you back. Fear of failing, fear of not being good enough. Those are the things that keep most people stuck. But if you've made it this far, you're already in the mindset to succeed. If you're serious about building a wealthy lifestyle, I've got another video you need to watch. It's all about the power of compounding interest, smart investments, and building habits that lead to real financial success. Click on the link in the description now to watch, because missing out on that information could cost you years of financial growth. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Take control, take action, and let's make it happen. I'll see you in the next video.